Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome back to the channel. This is my second floor guest bathroom. As you can see, I took everything out. Wanted to get a fresh start for the new year. I also want to share today how I did the floors. I got a couple questions about the flooring. This is what it looked like before. I did install a peel and stick luxury tile that is groutable. So I'll show you right here on the screen which one I used. I got it from Lowe's. It's called the Grecian Marble 12 by 24 groutable peel and stick tile. So if anybody's interested, I wanted to make sure to share that because I have gotten a few questions about that. And like I told you in the other video, guys, my mom used to be a housekeeping manager at a 5-star hotel for many years, and she taught me how to clean bathrooms, make beds, clean bedrooms and things like that. So I'm using her method for everything. So let's go ahead and jump into the cleaning, guys. All right, here it is, you guys. This is the finished look. I went with sage green, white, and gold. Some of my favorite colors. The colors are very relaxing and kind of gives like a laid back but luxurious feel at the same time. So I'll take you over here by the shower curtain and the shelves that I installed. These shelves here are from the Home Depot. They were $21 for the pair, so they were not very expensive. The basket over there, that is from BEALE'S outlet. I believe that was $6.99. I kept this same waffle shower curtain because I really like the quality of it, and I believe I got that from Home Goods like a couple years ago. Now this sage green curtain, that is from Ross. That is from Ross, and I just love how relaxing this bathroom feels. Absolutely love it. I just put in this orchid, which is great for a bathroom. Rolled up some washcloths, tied a ribbon around it just to make it look kind of cute. I have these battery operated candles here that can be turned on. I have the batteries in it, and a couple of extra sprays for the bathroom and a couple extra toilet paper rolls. Over here by the vanity, because this is a guest bathroom, I went on and I put in a paper towel roll. I got a cute little paper towel holder from Ross. That's super cute. And then I put in a soap dispenser from I got that from BEALE'S outlet. Now over on this wall, I have this gold leaf that is from World Market from a few years ago, and I just put a decorative towel. Now this towel, everybody asked about how I did that in the previous video. I promise you the next video that I release is going to show you how I do that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit subscribe for that and turn on the notification, because that's going to be the very next video just showing how to do that. It's really simple, guys. And then over here on the other side of the bathroom, I have this cute wall art with the green, the gold, and the white that complements the room perfectly. The frame is somewhat of a vintage gold, and then I just put these few little decorative towels. I love what this towel says: relax, renew, refresh, and that's kind of how that sage green comes across within the bathroom. So guys, I'm going to show you around the bathroom one more time. Thanks so much for coming along with me today. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments, or just say hi in the comments, and I will see you on the next one, which is the towel display video.